Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to reply to a contact status in WhatsApp Web. This feature allows you to engage with your contacts and share your thoughts on their status updates. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer by launching the WhatsApp Web application. Step 2. Look for the status icon located above the chat list and click on it. Step 3. From the list of contacts who have posted status updates, click on the contact you want to reply to. Step 4. Type in the reply you want to send in the text input box and hit the send button. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to reply to a contact's status and join in on the conversation. It's a great way to stay connected and engage with your friends and family. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp web tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.